Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create credit account register in Google Appsheet. So first thing, I will create a new database here, which means I have to rename the default name here at the top, right? Okay, I will do that. You can also add new table. Now here, click on this table settings, give it name as credit. Now if I remove this column and start from scratch, so let's say we start with date, and here we check date. We'll make it column label. So now I can remove the previous defaults. Also we will add pay as text. Then we will add, let's say, category, which is going to be basically our enum, and then drop down. So I will start with category of payments, balance, then fees charged, then finally interest charged, and then cash advance. Right, all these options I can save this. Next thing I can go with is basically debit, which is going to be a number, right? Then credit, which is also going to be a number, and finally balance, which is a number as well, right? And once you have all of this, I can go into my dashboard where I can click create app, start with existing data. Here I will have credit account register, and then name this as planning and project, or even you can go with other, right? Choose your data source. So I will choose the table that we just created now, right? So here we have MyDB, within which you can see credit. I will remove this table one and then choose create. Now it will take you to the view of account register. Now I want to update the view to tabular format. Let me close this, considering this is empty. I will go to views, go with tab table, then sort by, remove those views, right? You can also go with data, check all the columns properly, and it should appear like this here, right? Now what I can do is I can simply go with desktop view, and here I will start adding new rows. So first we will start with this particular date, payee I will add, category fees charged, then let's see amount debited, right? Then balance, if there is any, you can write it or keep it both as empty. Now save this and you will notice credit and balance is empty. Like this I can add one more entry, let's say for earlier date, right? Then I will choose interest charge, debited 200, credited 100, and then balance we will keep as is, save. As you can see, now our credit account register is showing up. If you want to sort anything based on the balance amount or debit or credit, you can do so within your view option, right? You choose what to do with it, right? It will immediately appear here. You can even type in things like credit entries and basically then save this. It will refresh. As you can see here, app will refresh immediately and those changes will appear here. also create charts for this, which would be easier for you to view later. Right, so basically this is your credit account registers, one of the tracker that you can create with Appsheet.